How to post text on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now select post. Now select any photo for the background of your text. You can also zoom the photo. Now tap on next. Now tap on double A. Now type your text. You can tap on this option to add background effect. Now once you're done, simply tap on done. Now adjust the position for the text and tap on next. Now click on post and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.